How's it going to all of our followers worldwide? My name is Tim Lazinski. I'm here with Midwest Car Exchange. We've got our 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. This is an absolutely stunning car inside and out. It is sporting a 327, 340 horsepower engine, 4-speed manual transmission, absolutely beautiful interior and exterior. Runs and drives awesome. I'll give you guys a little insight on the car though. We'll start with the interior here. Brand new upholstered seats. I'm looking at the door panels, were reupholstered as well. Newer carpet kit nip. Radio, I'm seeing everything here looks to be functional. It has the clock in there. Clock is working on the car. Tachometer. The only thing we did notice in this car is the tachometer was switched out. I know some people are going to be curious because it has the lower horsepower tachometer, the lower red line tachometer. It was switched out. We do have documentation receipts to go with that car, along with a vast variety of different receipts. This car is absolutely stunning though in every which sense. Just got a new paint job on it. Close to $17,000. We do have all the receipts on that as well, so you can definitely check that out. We're gonna go for a quick ride right here. Now this car does come with the hardtop. It's got on it right now because we're here in Chicago and it's a nice frigid about 40 degrees outside, so the hardtop's a little bit more beneficial today. So you're gonna look at a white exterior, red interior, the black vinyl top with the white hardtop to match the outside. Shift painter is nice and smooth with this Hurst shifter. It's tracking down the road great. Steering wheel's nice and perfectly straight on the car. Not seeing any issues there. No rattles, shakes, nothing of that nature. One thing I did notice in this car that's nice is in the back there, in the back hatch we're seeing right here, there are some aftermarket speakers, so we do have a nice little stereo system to the car, but we're looking at all original components up here in the front though, so it hasn't hacked up the dash in any sense. Our lights work, our headlights are both flipping up. Set them back down. Perfect. Get on the car a little bit here. Man, she runs out great. No issues at all. No issues at all. Good. Great running, driving car. Beautiful. Let's take a walk around on the car and I'll show you a little bit more about her.
But most of all, I love you 'cause you're you.
Hello, mother. Hello, father. Here I am at Camp Granada. Camp is very entertaining, and they say we'll have some fun if it stops raining.
Can't get used to losing you no matter what I try to do. Gonna live my whole life through loving you.
Hello, stranger. It seems so good to see you back again. How long has it been?
Though you broke my heart still, though we're far apart, I love you still.
You're the reason I'm living. I'd be lost without you. Come and tell me again. A thousand eyes.
Now that we are through, blue on blue, heartache on heartache, and I find I can't get over losing you.
She wore blue velvet, bluer than velvet were her eyes.
listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again.
He's so fine, oh yeah, gotta be mine, oh yeah, sooner or later, oh yeah, I hope it's not later, oh yeah. I met him on a Monday and my heart stood still. They do run, 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 they do run, run. Somebody told me that his name was Bill. They do run, 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 they do run, run. I didn't know just what to do, so I whispered, I love you. He said that he loved me too, and then he kissed me. I'm leaving it all up to you. You decide what you gonna do.
Broke my heart, whereupon think she's smart. Ruby, Ruby, how I want you, like a ghost I'm gonna haunt you. Ruby, 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 will you be mine? Place I know where you just have to wish to make it so. Let's go up on the roof. Up on the roof. Walk like an angel. Walk like an angel. Talk like an angel.